Hey there, snake enthusiasts and nature lovers. Today, we're diving into a topic that might send shivers down your spine: the rattlesnake-infested areas of Pennsylvania. But fear not, because I'm here to shed some light on these fascinating creatures and their habitats. Get ready for an adventure as we explore the hidden worlds of these venomous snakes. Now, you might be wondering, why Pennsylvania? Well, it's an interesting story. Once upon a time, rattlesnakes were considered almost extinct in this state. But thanks to some dedicated conservation efforts, they've made a comeback, and we're here to uncover their secrets. Let's start with the Appalachian Ridges, a hotspot for timber rattlesnakes. These hardy snakes love the sun-facing ridges with their open rock outcrops, perfect for basking. Imagine these slithery creatures soaking up the sun. It's quite a sight. But it's not just about the sun, they also need the adjacent mixed hardwood forests for cover and hunting grounds. It's a delicate balance of nature. Moving on to Lancaster and Berks Counties, we find another rattlesnake haven. These counties are historically known for their dense timber rattlesnake populations. The forest-covered hillsides, rocky ridges, and old stone walls provide the perfect hideouts and sunning spots for these snakes. It's like a secret world hidden within the rural landscapes of Pennsylvania. Now, let's talk about the Hawk Mountain Sanctuary. It's not just a haven for hawks, but also for timber rattlesnakes. The steep, sun-exposed talus slopes and rock-covered outcrops provide the ideal conditions for these snakes to bask and den. And the best part? The sanctuary's protected status has allowed these populations to thrive, despite the influx of visitors. Next up, we have the Delaware Water Gap National Recreation Area, a famous outdoor retreat and a haven for timber rattlesnakes. The south-facing ledges and floodplain forests offer the perfect habitat for these snakes, and the small mammals provide an abundant food source. It's a true nature's paradise, but be cautious, as seasonal flooding can increase the chances of human encounters. Ricketts Glen State Park is another gem, especially for timber rattlesnakes. The rock-strewn terrain and lush forests create a unique habitat for these snakes to thrive. The gorges and cliffs provide the perfect hiding spots, and the snakes emerge in spring, ready to mate and feed. It's a true wilderness experience, and one of the few places where you can observe these rattlers in their natural setting. Lastly, we have the Swatara State Park, a diverse habitat for not just timber rattlesnakes, but also black rat snakes and eastern rat snakes. The rocky ridges and craggy outcrops offer a variety of hiding spots. This park is a nature lover's dream, with its woodland trails, fishing spots, and even horseback riding. But remember, these snakes are masters of camouflage, so keep an eye out. Pennsylvania's rattlesnake strongholds are a testament to the power of conservation. These areas, with their high elevation points and abundant prey, support stable, localized populations. It's a delicate ecosystem, and by staying on marked trails and being cautious, we can coexist with these fascinating creatures. So, there you have it, a journey through Pennsylvania's rattlesnake-infested areas. It's a reminder of the beauty and complexity of nature, and the importance of conservation. Personally, I find it fascinating how these snakes have adapted and found their niches. It just goes to show, there's always more to discover and appreciate in the natural world. I hope this adventure has sparked your curiosity and given you a new perspective on these often misunderstood creatures. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.